Hey guys, what's up? In this tutorial we're going to teach you how you can lock the background image or photo of your Canva design really quickly. So let us guide you through this. So head over to your design or project on Canva, and let's assume you would like to work with a page, PowerPoint presentations page like that, with a background image like this, and now you would like to move elements of your design, that one here, that one, without moving the background image. So the best way would be to do this, to simply lock the background image so that you can move these elements freely around. So this is how you can do it, guys. What you want to do is click into any of your elements here of your design or project, just like that. And after that, you will see that list of tabs here at the top. Click on position, and you will see that view here to the left. So you may head over to the layers section to get a better overview of all layers of your design. And the lowermost layer will probably be your image background. As you can see, if you hover your mouse over it, you will see the background information here to the right. So select it, and after that click into these three dots here and hover your mouse over lock background and select a lock. That is going to lock your image background. Now you can move these elements here freely around, and all of that, do all of that without, as you can see, without selecting or moving the background image, because it has been locked. Now to unlock it, guys, simply again click into any of these elements, head over to position, select layers here and on the left hand side, click on these three dots to your locked background and select unlock background, or use the shortcut Alt-Shift-L. That is going to unlock it so that you can now select your background and change its color, for example, move it, and so on and so forth. And that's how it works in practice. Thanks for watching and have a fantastic day.